Hi, Mousy.
Let's fucking go.
Stop hitting me with your
You're
balls!
going down, Mousy. You don't want to be part of the white gang.
No!
Oh, shit.
Harka!
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, no, what the fuck?
Who is banging on their shit?
Me, I'm sorry. Means I'm mad.
As if you're.
Hi guys, welcome to my TV show.
Get her!
Thank you for
Get her, beat her up, beat her up, beat her up.
Yo, male's number one. Male's number
Yeah.
We gotta get diarrhea.
What the fuck?
Crowns.
Excuse me,
You said,
you
help me get
can't
her.
just kick a woman.
one. Yes, I can. Andrew takes it, so.
Oh my god. Yeah, you can climb up. Remember the space?
Damn it! No! Get her!
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. No, I can't breathe. She's drowning me.
We're gonna get
Goodbye now.
Round Niga live on stream.
Oh my god, drama.
Oh my
Girls are
God.
fighting.
I still win, bitch.
Goodbye, Mousy.
Adios.
Why would you do that?
Mousy, no! Then.
Fine.
Holy shit.
You gotta go, buddy. You gotta go.
No.
Oh yeah, you're right. Sorry.
Trying to sabotage you.
Harka, please!
Yep.
Harka,
Yep.
please! No, Harka!
Here's my plan.
So funny.
I'll shoot for a bomb. I'll do it.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm running training.
Oh my god, diarrhea wins again.
Oh my god.
I'll save us, Mousy! I'll save us! No, let's go! Don't let go! Don't let go! Don't let go! Don't let go!
This is really risky.
If I'm going down, I'm taking you with me! Mousy!
I learned a fun fact about that actually.
About diarrhea?
Yeah.
Sure, Mel. What is it?
Literally no one in the world can spell that word correctly unless they are a doctor. Isn't that fun fact?
I'm not a doctor.
Can you spell it correctly?
Can you spell it? Yeah, right?
I probably can, but I'm
That's preposterous. You must be a doctor in training.
maybe it's
Oh,
because
Martha,
I've
you
had
left.
a lot of diarrhea in the past.
Martha, you
shit,
left the room.
No, I keep floating off of this stupid submarine. Holy.
No,
The worst
no,
game
please,
I've ever played.
Banana.
Damn.
Susan. I see your camera.
Hi, Mousy.
I promise you I didn't mean to do that. That was a total accident.
Peace.
But this time it might not be.
Get your little legs away from me.
Let there be peace.
I'm driving. You can't get me out of here.
No peace.
I'm in the cockpit.
How have you never played this before? You're
Oh.
no peace.
Die, Zed, die. Yeah, I see you knocked out. Bam.
Diarrhea
Oh, shit.
wins again!
Congratulations!
So much pain. You fucking bitch ass.
We're just gonna hold hands for a bit, okay? What the fuck?
I'm trying to hold your hand, but I can't.
I wanna hold hands.
You wanna catch the fist? You wanna catch this fist?
Are you okay? Who's beating her table?
Me!
Not like this. Gigi.
How did you
Mel,
believe
are you
like
okay?
that?
Look at me!
Cool.
That's a very useless plan.
Hello, Kuro.
Hi, I'm just chilling.
Banana.
Fine. Giga.
That's a little.
Doggers! Oh no!
How did you do that?
Wait, what can I say? No, I didn't mean to say S's.
Yeah, that's what you get. That's what you get. Must attend me.
She's raging.
Ow.
No, so
No, I'm
what
doing mouse and
controller are
keyboard.
you playing?
I'm doing the key. Actually, most of my keys are missing.
Wait. Hold on, back up.
Poor Haruka.
Your keyboard keys are missing?
Yeah, most of them.
What does that mean, Melody?
What does that mean?
What do you mean?
Most of your keyboard keys are missing.
Bullshit.
When I played Garfield Kart, I was so angry that I broke most of my keys.
What?
And,
Melody, what do you mean?
the rest of them I broke several of them before stream.
Melody, I don't understand
You
you.
know what, Melody? Now's a good time to use code Iron Mouse off of Razer
my-
keyboard purchase.
Oh wow, you've got a point there. Code Iron Mouse, you say.
No.
What was that?
What
Yeah, this looks
the-
like-
why is it
You
so
see that?
Zen is aimbotting, so just wanted to say that.
What do we do?
Hello, shark.
Hello.
Don't fucking look at me like that, you freak.
Mel.
Yes? How can I help you?
Are you doing a split on the rope? That's
Yeah.
crazy, dude.
What the fuck? Ew, he's rubbing his balls.
You
No
thought.
helpers.
Yeah, Zen. Yeah.
No, it's just
Thought
test of
about it.
endurance right now.
I'm holding on to you.
Like,
On your.
Oh my god, I hit you with 2 fish in a row and you still didn't fall.
okay. Watch this. My balance is impeccable.
Oh, whoa.
Kuro, I swear to
No.
Stop jumping with your balls! Stop putting your balls on me!
Hey, man.
Please. Please.
Your face. What the hell was that? Weak ass fish. Oh yeah, nice bomb, nice bomb.
Yeah, bitch! Woo!
God, fucking Haruka just holding on. Oh, hold on.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Maybe if I just.
Once
I
again,
threw a bomb.
diarrhea has ruined my life.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, this is a good bomb.
Diarrhea must win. I grab mouse. I throw.
You like my bomb, diarrhea?
Oh shit!
Oh.
Sorry,
I
Mouse.
win?
I might have killed you with my bomb.
I mean, what
Kobe.
I was so dead when I
Yes,
hit it.
man.
No, I don't know. How do you know what person?
So fucking sad. F in the chat.
Oh my
Oh
god!
my. Holy shit.
Oh my
No,
god.
you won!
Oh, cool. Thank you.
I bomb. I apologize. My
God damn it, Haruka, why? What is this grudge you have against me? Is it because I always ask you to stream? Is that why you hate me?
Yes, it is.
Because I force you to stream? You gotta stream, Haruka! You're a streamer! It's because I make you stream, isn't it?
Mouse,
I swear to God, you better not rub your balls over
Oh
here.
yeah.
it's on you, Kuro. I already rubbed my balls away.
So much pain.
Never mind. My mouse was too. My fish was too weak.
Oh shit.
That's what you fucking
Help
get.
me. I'm coming back up. Oh shit, what's happening?
Yeah.
What is going on? Why am I punching this?
Come here.
Well, Kuro, you don't look like you're chilling.
I'm chilling. No.
You Zen. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Kuro, how do you rub your balls on the rope
God
like
damn
that?
it!
Balls on the
God
rope
damn
like
it!
that?
Stop my
Like this.
You know what, Kuro? No!
I'm rubbing my balls. Send this to
Down from there.
They won't believe you. No! whoever
last
threw that
words
fish.
were let me rub my balls.
This game sucks. I didn't win.
Kuro, I think it's a
What?
skill issue.
Skill issue.
God say that. Men have feelings too.
Pussy.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Like my man
That's
feelings.
brutal.
I like when
You
men
tell 'em.
don't have emotions.
You tell him.
Dead inside.
Yeah, I like it when they're dead inside. And only play League of Legends.
I don't think so. I don't think anyone likes that.
No, no one likes League of Legends.
No one likes a guy who
Not even
plays
people who
League.
play League like League.
Mm-mm.
No.